Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my another video. Today we are learning how to download and install VLC media player 64-bit. So let's get started. Link in the description. Just click on it and you will come here. You will see this website. Now after that, just click on this green button, download latest version. Click on it, and as you can see, download is started in the Chrome section. As you can see here, one, because I already downloaded it. So when it's complete, then after that, just click on it here, click yes, and you see the installation software. Okay, so click OK, click next, next again, and install. If you don't know what it is just a media player, just like others. So also you can convert some audios to MP3, some videos to MP4. You can do it in this VLC media player. Run VLC media player, yes, check on it, click finish, and this is it. Okay, if you want to convert any audio to MP3, you can convert from here, convert and save here, added any audio and select MP3 here. And I hope you like this software. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.